Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Let everyone be happy. With these thoughts in mind, today we will make carrot soup. This carrot soup is a Vaidyagrama recipe. Vaidyagrama is an Ayurvedic village in Coimbatore, which is in India. So let's start. We are preparing carrot soup, so carrot is a must. We take carrot. So we have taken few strings of fresh coriander leaves, and you can see the roots of coriander leaves. This has been freshly taken out. Now peel the carrots,
Wash and cut in small pieces.
and the amount should be approximately 1 cup. When we say 1 cup, always use measuring cups. Keep 3 cups water to boil. Now add those chopped carrots. Add salt and cover the pot. In the meantime, clean and wash the coriander leaves and chop finely. Carrot is getting boiled. Once soft, remove from the heat and let it cool. Once cooled, we are going to blend it in a blender. After we blend it, transfer it in the same pot. And now you add some black pepper powder. Now cover and keep. It's ready. So simple to make. And before serving, just make it warm. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve with the thought in the mind. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Let everyone be healthy. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.